Okay, let's talk about URL slugs. This is going to be a quick and easy micro lesson. A URL slug is everything that comes after the /, that comes after the .com or .net or .org in a URL. So here for our Wix website design page on my company's website, our URL slug is Wix Website Design Agency in Austin. Now obviously we're trying to rank for those kinds of search phrases, a combination of those keywords, Wix Website Design, Website Design Agency in Austin, etc. So we've made our URL slug, Wix Website Design Agency in Austin. This isn't going to make or break your SEO. It's not the most important part of SEO, but it does help search engines understand what that page is about, in addition to your headings, the content of your page, your alt text for your images. It's one more piece of the puzzle. So if we take a look at our test site, our about page URL slug is just /about. That's okay, but it would help us a little bit if it was something more like about Leslie Adams, personal trainer, because this helps us add that keyword for personal training and rank better for her actual name, which is her brand as well. So if we go into the Wix editor, these URL slugs are really easy to customize. We can go to Pages and Menu, find that relevant page, click these three dots, click SEO Basics, and then right here under URL slug in SEO Basics, we can customize or write our own URL slug. So I'm going to make ours about Leslie Adams, personal trainer. So just help us rank a little better for her brand name and for this kind of keyword. Okay, and that's it. That's all you got to do to customize URL slugs. Easy peasy.